this is Nisi, and I'm coming with a quick review. So I recently ordered off of Amazon Prime, and I ordered a ring light, but I didn't order the big ring light. I ordered the it's like 10-inch, the smaller ring light for the table and everything. So yes, it came in the mail. This is my unboxing video from Amazon. Okay. So let's open it. I can't open it if I'm dropping my key. Let's open it. I am so excited about this. That way my videos and my pictures could be 100. I hope it's worth me buying. Okay, this is pretty much how it is. I mean, nothing is on it. This is it. So let's open it. Okay, this is the inside, and these are the instructions. I guess this is telling, you know, the inside of it is telling you basically how to put it together. And then the back, it has everything. It comes with one of these. I already have one, but I love it because you can take better pictures without trying to hold your phone or whatever, your camera. It's Bluetooth and you can connect it to it. So absolutely love this. It's a wireless remote. Here go your gadgets. I definitely needed another one of these to hold the phone. And just little gadgets that connects it. Okay, so I'll just say here is the wireless remote. I was just about to say, I thought it came with some legs, and I don't see not one leg. Okay, so it's gonna go on this. Okay, it don't come out no longer. So I'm gonna have to invest in a bigger pod, little tripod type thing. Now they did have some more with bigger holders. This is the light, and it's 10 inches. And this is the light. Okay. Okay. This right here is pretty heavy, but I want something that's a little bit more taller, so I'm going to invest in something else. Maybe I probably could put it on my tripod right here. I think I can put it on my tripod, but if you just want it on the table, this is pretty much it. Okay, I like it. I like it. I won't say I love it, but I like it, you know, because I thought that the stand that it's sitting on would be a little bit more, would be bigger, but whatever. It cost me like $22, I think. That's how much it cost me. Not too bad, not bad at all. But I guess you get what you paid for. Now the ones that's $30 or whatever, those are more so those are like $40 or so. Again, I'm fine with this, but now I just gotta see how I connect my phone to it. And we're gonna go because girl got another video. I got a hair video that I gotta put up. So the girl got to. Okay, so I guess this goes on. Okay. up or down. And then this goes on it. Oh wow, okay. So your phone could go like this on it. Okay, or you can lift it up and your phone could go like that on it. Or it could just stand up because it got a screw right here, so it could pretty much just stand up there. So okay, I like it, and I'm ready to see what the light is about. I'm definitely ready to see what the light is about. And this is this standing up. Tighten it up some. This is it. This is just a little, okay. This is my little iPod, and this is, yeah, I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna set it up and I'll be back with another video, you guys.